It's weird. What my threshold has always been: do I find it entertaining and do I watch it? This is gonna sound dumb, but I've just spent so many years just studying what does well, and I've seen so many hundreds of thousands of videos probably at this point because I don't watch movies and didn't even listen to music till I was like fucking 20 years old. I would just obsess, study retention charts. You know, we'd scrape a million videos, see where the dip is. Like I know everything. Like if you pee, like how it hurts retention. If you sneeze, like all that kind of stuff. And so I've just like my brain has just been programmed to like just know. I don't know. It just comes secondhand. Like I can just tell you, no, retention's gonna drop there.
If we should probably.
Yeah, peeing hurts retention. It's a turnoff for some people.
People just don't